Well, happy Sunday to you all. This is Chef DL, and welcome to Fish Fry Sunday. And welcome to my patio. The man cave. I got the game going on. Getting ready to fry up some good fish. So sit back and enjoy Fish Fry Sunday.
Well, thank you for watching this episode. And if you want the full recipes, please make sure you follow the link below. And if you like what you see, hit that like button. And if you want to see more delicious, appetizing recipes, please make sure you spank that subscribe button. Holla.